Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ohik and today I will show you how to download the Python application. First you have to open the Google Chrome application and then on the search bar type Python. Press enter. After you write the Python over here, you can see the first thing that comes is welcome to python.org. You have to click on that option and then go to the downloads tab from there. Once you are in the downloads tab, go to download Python install manager. Click on it. And then on the downloads tab beside the search bar, it gets downloaded. Since it is a private tab, you guys can't see it. You have to click on that thing and then another dialog box appears. Since it is also another private tab, you guys can't see it. So once you open the box, it gets a blue, you can see a blue box called install python. Click on it. After you click on it, a thing called installing another percentage beside it appears. After the percentage reaches 100%, you can see another dialog box that opens, which is we on the bottom of that window you can see a run button. Click on it. After you click on the run button, this one will open. This ID. So yes, this will open up. From here you can do your codes here, but I will suggest you to do your codes over on here on the script mode. This is the printout mode. So yes, I will suggest you to do the codes over on this page, since it will be better for you guys, as I told you. And then you can write there are many functions I will teach you. Suppose I write this function, whatever you can write. Suppose I give my name here only. Sorry, I gave my name only here, and then you have to run the file, run module F5, and then this. So yeah, as you can see here, if the text that you type gets printed over here. Suppose I have typed Ohik, so it is showing Ohik over here. So in the blue text, as you can see here, so there are lots of things to do, even more you can. And forgot to mention one thing, but whatever you type in the codes, that is called a string. String is a sentence through which it is a just a sentence you basically can say for now. So this is all for today. I will surely show you, I guess tomorrow, more programs on do. Suppose I can add, multiply, division, subtract, even make a calculator, factorial of a number, etc, etc. I will show you tomorrow. But first, before those, I have to show you how to assign variables and etc, etc. So that I will show you tomorrow. So that's all for today. Thank you.